This is a CNN News 18 exclusive. Let's now tell you the story of JP Singh, who is the man behind the movie Diplomat. He's also somebody who's responsible for the release of Uzma Ahmed. Who is Uzma Ahmed? An Indian who in fact fell in love with a Pakistani. The story goes all the way back to the year 2017 when Uzma Ahmed found Tahir Ali, a Pakistani citizen, online. She fell in love. She later went to Pakistan, where she was in fact harassed and at gunpoint forced to marry Tahir Ali. In fact, she was even drugged. And the day she married was the day when her life took a U-turn, because the next day she realized that Tahir Ali was already married. It was then when Uzma Ali in fact reached and knocked the doors of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. If sources are to be believed, she came to the Indian High Commission's window and begged for help. It was then when Mr. JP Singh, who was a Deputy High Commissioner in Pakistan, took responsibility for Uzma Ahmed. He in fact provided her shelter inside the embassy. He got a room vacated, provided Uzma Ahmed refuge, even CISF protection. What happened next? Tahir Ali moved the Islamabad High Court after the Pakistan government asked him to do so. He demanded that Uzma Ahmed be produced at the court and claimed that she is his wife. JP Singh maintained diplomatic ties with his counterparts in Pakistan's MOFA, because remember, this was a potential flashpoint for New Delhi and Islamabad, given the allegations were against a Pakistani citizen. He then asked Uzma Ahmed to in fact file a counter petition. He assisted Uzma Ahmed with legal proceedings. He in fact ensured that she was able to assert her rights, where she in fact also maintained that she was an Indian citizen who was forcibly married and deserved to be sent back. JP Singh ensured that there was international attention on this entire case, while also keeping in mind the delicate relations between India and Pakistan. He assisted Uzma with legal proceedings, also providing her morale. He also ensured that due documentation was done during all of these proceedings. Eventually, the Islamabad High Court in fact ruled in favor of Uzma, allowing her to leave Pakistan. And it was on 25th of May back in 2017 that Uzma Ahmed was finally allowed to cross over to India, and she did so by crossing over the Wagah border. And JP Singh ensured that none of the Pakistani authorities obstruct her travel back to India. This was the role of JP Singh. He was later appointed as the Joint Secretary of the Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran division in the MEA. He was also somebody who was responsible for starting back channels with Taliban. Mr. JP Singh was later appointed as India's ambassador to Israel. He's not available for comments as far as this movie is concerned, but this is the kind of pivotal role that JP Singh, as the then Deputy High Commissioner in Pakistan, played to safeguard the life of the Indian citizen Uzma Ahmed.